So this is how your beautiful Ghanaian sponge cake looks like. So I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful Ghanaian sponge cake. Hello everyone, welcome to She's World. Today I'm going to show you how I do my Ghanaian sponge cake. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so that anytime we upload a video you will be the first to know. Now I'm going to run you through the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Here I have 1.5 cups of sugar. I have a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I have a tablespoon of baking soda. I have 1 cup of milk. I have a teaspoon of nutmeg. I have 6 eggs here, and then I have 2.5 cups of milk. Now this is the trick I'm going to show you. If you don't have a cup at home, you can use, when you get the margarine, the container it comes in, you can use that as your measuring cup. Or if you don't have that here, if you have any cup at home, just go ahead and use it. What's going to happen is, if you're using this cup, make sure you use this cup for the entire measurement. So this will be your 1 cup. But if you're using this one too, make sure you use that. Do not interchange it. So that was a little trick I wanted to show you guys in case you didn't have the measuring cups to do it. And then we're going to need 2 cups of butter. And then you're going to need your mixer. If you don't have the mixer, you can do the traditional way where we just manually do it with the wooden spoon. So if you don't have it, do that. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my ingredients over here. Before I do that, let me show you this trick. Your dry ingredients, just go ahead and mix everything together. So what's going to happen, by the time your cake is ready, everything is mixed together and then you don't have to play with it. So there we go. So this is ready, and all you do is just transfer it right into your cake once everything is mixed up. Okay, over here I have 2 cups of butter, and then I have 1.5 cups of the sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and blend, put it in the mixer, and then start it. We will need about 20 minutes on this, and then I'll come back and I'll show you. You just have to start slowly, and then as you go, you just put it on 6, and then you're going to be okay. So I'll come back and I'll show you once everything is together. Okay, we've been mixing the butter and the sugar right now for 15 minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be adding the eggs gradually. One thing you also have to remember is that make sure that all your ingredients are in room temperature. Your butter needs to be completely out of the refrigerator if you have it in the refrigerator. If you don't, then that's good. But your eggs also need to be out of the refrigerator for at least an hour or 2 before you start using it. If not, it's going to separate as soon as you try to put it in. So we're going to go ahead and put all the eggs in here gradually. This is how you know that your egg is fresh. Your yolk is always going to be whole like this. That's how you know that you have fresh eggs you're using. That's just a little trick I learned as well. Alright, so we're going to add all of this right here. Here, she wants to help me finish the cake. So now that we've added our eggs and everything, we're going to gradually add our flour. And then you want to try and keep it at a low speed so that you don't have a mess all over the place. Right, Mariah?
Why are all the sugars in it?
Why are all the sugars in it? So that the cake will be sweet. We're going to add the vanilla to it, so add it slowly, slowly. There we go. Good job. Okay, so we'll let the vanilla mix up a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add the milk to it.
Cupcakes.
Okay, so we're going to make cupcakes. Naraya likes the different colors in it, and so what I do is I just take little portions, and then I put drops in here, and this one is out, as we can see. So we're going to make the green one. So you can put like 4 drops in there. Uh-oh, that one doesn't want to be part of the party. And then we're going to make a blue one. So you put 4 drops in there as well. And then we will, I think that the rest of her have a yellow one. So we're going to put, oh, it's a red one. 4 drops in there. So we're just going to mix it together here, Naraya. Just mix it up together. Okay. Easy. Easy. Good job. See? There you go. So we're going to mix the colors together, and then once we come back, we'll just show you how we put it in the muffin, and then we'll bake the regular cake as well. So we'll be right back and we'll show you.
It's good.
Alright, so we'll need the baking pan. What I use is just a regular vegetable oil spray. If you don't have that, just use butter and just smear it in it. It's the same thing. So I spray just a little bit here. So over here, Naraya is going to start doing her. So Naraya, scoop your cupcake in there. Good job. Yay. So scoop it in all of it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and scoop our butter in here. Fill it up. And then we're going to pop it in the oven for 350 degrees.
Another one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is another one.
All right, put it in.
Okay. I'm going to put it in here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to put it in all of it. I'm going to make a rainbow one. That's my blue one. You got my blue one too. Not my little one.
Yes, ma'am. We're making a rainbow, remember?
Oh, yeah. Morning.
Has been baking in the oven for 50 minutes. To be able to check if the cake is done, just go ahead and get a skewer, run it through it. If it runs clear, then you know that your cake is done. So this is still a little bit hot. I'm going to see. All right. Okay, those of us from Ghana, we know it. You have to be able to hold a hot thing. All right. There we go. So look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. It's still hot. Let it cool down first, but I wanted to cut in and show you how spongy this cake is. You see that? This is a beauty. This is exactly how spongy you want your cake to be. And we did put some color in it. So you see how we did this? You see this, guys? That is what you're looking for. Nice and spongy. So that is it. Thank you guys for staying with me and watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Tell everyone you know about it and hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to know as soon as we upload any video. Thank you. As usual, I have my taster here.
Hello.
And then Naraya too is here. Hello. She's waving at everyone. So Casey's gonna taste and tell us how he thinks about our beautiful sponge cake we made today. Honey, go ahead and taste it and let everyone know. Ooh.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
You like it, honey? Thank you. Well, thank you.
It's moist and soft. Very good. Okay.
Naraya is also gonna try and let us
Ooh,
know.
hot. It's hot,
Ooh,
baby.
it's hot, baby. Careful. Your cupcake is right there. So Naraya's cupcake is right there. Thank you so much for staying with us through this episode of our cake and our cupcake. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.